Hello. This is the second video I made to keep practicing, building new habit. Okay, so today I gonna make a video continuing with the previous one. Is that the type of coffee? Now we take a look at my favorite kind of coffee. Yeah, my favorite kind of coffee is called like espresso. Espresso. Okay. Espresso. 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 Okay. We will figure out like how to make it. How to espresso. Okay. Espresso with me is really good, really good, really good drinking, and I like it. I like it a lot. So now I got it. We got it. Fine. Figured out. He how to make espresso at home with or without a machine. These methods make the best espresso. So, uh, I, I, sorry, I don't know how to read espresso. Espresso. Salt to sip, S-E or S to ring. Okay, how to make espresso. Okay, there are many ways to there are many methods to do espresso. It's particularly is included espresso with machine, uh, portable espresso maker, French press, mocha pot, uh, and aeropress. I guess I speak it right. I guess I speak it right. Yeah. I guess I speak it right. Speak it right. Right. And the best way to make espresso maybe espresso machine. Uh, espresso machine is a counter stop espresso machine make the best tasting espresso banana. It tastes even as good as a coffee shop with a rich layer of cream. What is cream? A cream. No, not cream. Layer of cream. This time machine is similar to you see Paris you. It sits on the countertop and grind the coffee. Many espresso maker also have a steam grind. It's made the best steam milk for latte and cappuccino. Steam grind. What is steam grind? Espresso maker also has steam grind. I wanna see what is steam grind. Um. Yeah. Steam one is like I want to know this word in Huế in Vietnamese. I don't know what it means, but by the way, uh, I ordered you will translate. Type in Huế. Ah, okay, I remember. Stir, stir it, stir, stir. Yeah, stir. The tool used for stirring, stirring, for stirring. Okay, we continue. Uh, what is the pros and cons of espresso machine? The countertop espresso machine at the prices option. The countertop espresso machine. I want to know this too. Countertop espresso machine. Counter is one. Is this the kind of machine that in making espresso. So okay, um, it's it's quite uh expensive because it costs like $300 to several $1,000, but it um but it's worth it for the high quality. Okay, this is the best choice for the coffee. Connoisseur. Connoisseur. Yeah, for a coffee connoisseur who want a premium in-home espresso experience. Okay, uh, how to make espresso with espresso machine? The first is we green the coffee like green the coffee like yeah we green the coffee like to make it to very small pieces like we can see the pieces there. Green the coffee, then we use the coffee grinders, like roast coffee about 9 grams for the single espresso shot and 18 grams for the double shot. Green coffee double shot. That was green coffee until very fine ground. Different roast and brand of bean will require different grain for your machine. You may need to do a few test runs to get it in just right. To get it dealer dialer dial. Okay, new words. And the first step is the green coffee, and the second step is pack and stamp the coffee ground. We add the coffee ground to the espresso package until it's slightly heaping over the top. Use the tamper to press the ground even into the ported filler, resting very firmly until it fully compressed. Compressed. It's fully compressed. Yeah, we part and time the coffee ground. Yeah, we part like we part packaging it. Yeah, and the term like we use our power to make it um like make it yeah make it every the surface equal. Yeah, and we add the coffee ground to espresso package, top temper to get around even to yeah even to until it's fully compressed. Play the pot filter to 4 hours before tamming. Before we tamming, the best tool is a nut box. What is nut box? For stamping and train gas vessel house. A nut box. Yeah, a nut box like is one of the two. Pull the shots. Play the portfolio in the episode machine and press the button to pull the shot. Most harm espresso machine has automatic option for this. A well-pulled espresso sauce will last around 25 to 30 seconds and has deep espresso flavor with a nice foamy cream. I want to know these words. What is creamer? Okay, it's like the coffee cream, something like that. And therefore, you consider any adjustment. It takes a while to deal. dial the fitness of coffee green and amount of coffee you practice make it perfect. Yeah, so the dial in the fitness, the dial in fitness of coffee green and amount of coffee to you should to practice to make it benefit for you. You know that. Yeah, and it's take a sauce like and if the sauce is watery, use slightly more coffee ground or the fingerprint on the coffee. If a sauce takes longer than 30 seconds, reduce the amount of coffee ground or use the custard green on the coffee. The custard green on the coffee. Yeah, this is the fourth step with the coffee machine. Yeah, we will see this video had too long for now, so I decided to stop it right now. So let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.